Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product is the Stanley Maxsteel adjustable wrench. Links in the description below. Let's get started. The Stanley adjustable wrench is a versatile tool that is ideal for a variety of assembly, repair and maintenance jobs, including plumbing and automotive tasks. A slip-resistant handle and tapered jaw design give you precision and control when working in limited spaces, while the built-in tension spring will stabilise movable jaw as you work. The features include the following: a narrow head design for limited space applications. It has laser marks SAE and metric jaw scale for easy fastener size. The forged alloy steel body increases strength with the extra wide jaw capacity opens wider than standard adjustable wrenches. It has a biomaterial handle for comfortable grip. It also includes automotive maintenance and repair, plumbing and general assembly tasks. It has polished chrome finish for anti-corrosion protection and has a phosphate finish. The specifications include the following: the height is 20 cm, the width is 3.2 cm, the depth is 4 cm, it weighs 200 grams and the material is carbon steel. Stanley is a leading global manufacturer of hand tools, power tools and related accessories, and a flagship brand of the wider Stanley Black & Decker Corporation. Ever since its foundation in 1843, Stanley has been committed to providing professionals across the globe with products which are smart, tough, pioneering and up to the task. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.